Hi, this is CS50 project. My CS50 project is called Invoice Me. I'm based in South Africa, and in South Africa, what we have is basically a lot of small to medium enterprise businesses where they can't actually do invoices, making their business not look professional. Therefore, they can't get big businesses, or they don't get a reputation, like they lose their reputation. So this is like a solution for them. Firstly, it's created with Bootstrap in mind, meaning that it also uh, shrinks to a phone size, and then you can use it on your phone. Also, it basically is used on your laptop as well, so you can use it on your laptop as well. So what you do is basically you register a business. So I wanted to walk through just registering a business, but it, the first video it took like 5 minutes just for the registration, so it took for long. So I'll just log in to one. So I've created a business already. So add mini straight to, so created one as an administrator, and so this would be your landing page. So you can add a client. Let's say we add a client, we call this client Ty, and then we add Ty's cell phone number. We say it's +18009539531, and then we go to the other one. Let's say for email, we say ty@gmail.com, and then address, we'll say he stays in Pretoria, South Africa. Pretoria, and yeah, that's that. And then what's wrong with this now? Okay, so 2781353638, and that should be fine. Okay, cool. So we've added Thai, and then here we can basically show how you'd want to see your invoice. So this is basically an example of how it will look without anything on it. Let's say you had an extra column, you wanted it to have an extra column, and you want the extra column to be called hi, and then when you put on your extra column, it's there, it's called hi. Let's say for instance, and then this basically you tell it whether you want the extra column or not, and then if you don't, then you would submit, and then that basically stores into the database that's moving forward. That's the type of invoicing style you want, and then you create a new invoice. So on the new invoice, you can basically say that the quantity you want, you want 50 Thai ordered 15 or 15 lessons, where each lesson is 220 rands, and then so these clients basically are limited to each business. So each business has its own client. So here we'll choose Thai, and then the description is lessons. And then when we submit, basically it gives us our invoice, where it gives you company information, tells you tutoring, the logo that you've added, attention to Thai, the date, so today is the 21st, and then the invoice number. It calculates tax for you, and then puts in the information about your bank details, and that's about it, which helps a lot of people. So this is CS50 project.